Hello everyone, I'm here to show you some awesome demos and some practices about Chaos Mesh. My name is Zhiqiang and I am the maintainer of Chaos Mesh, and I'm also an individual freelancer. So about the demo, we are going to use this application called Potato Head. It's a really funny application, and it's the demo app for the synthetic app delivery, and it uses microservice architecture. About the microservice, the application is split into several components which responds a part of the potato man's body, like the head, the arms, and the legs. So it's really interesting for an application use a composition a potato man to respond to the microservice architecture. Today we are going to show you three typical cases about chaos mesh: the pod chaos, the network chaos, and the HTTP chaos. So I'm already installed the chaos mesh and potato application inside of my Minikube cluster. So the first, I'm going to show you the pod chaos. So in this case, I will kill one of the pod, such as left arm, and the rest of the microservice should also works, but you could see on the preview, this part will not works. So let's start it. This is a normal situation of the application, and then I will inject this pod chaos into the application. So I will execute by kube control, apply -f pod chaos. Oh, sorry. Apply -f. So this chaos is created, and let's refresh the pages, and we could find that this page is already gone. And if we want to recover this chaos, we just remove this object. Yeah, just use K instead of kube control. So delete it. So let's take a look about the status of the chaos. The status of the pod, it should be left arm, and the status is be running, and it's already restarted. And let's refresh the application. Yeah, it's back. So the application goes well. So actually, this situation reflects a better design called single point failure. Actually, it could be passed through by multiple replicas. So maybe I could show you another cases. Let's scale the left arm to 3 replicas. Yeah, and let's take a look. The pod is creating. Yeah, this ran. So if we execute these chaos experiments again, please note this: we are using mode 1. It means we will only make one of the pod to failure. So if one pod failure, the rest 2 replicas still works, and it should be well for a high available application. So let's start it. Yeah, let's create these chaos experiments again, and yeah, it's still well. Why? Because there are still other instances running pretty well. So okay, that's the pod chaos. And another chaos is the network chaos. I will inject network delay to different components and change the sequence they appear to the web front page. So this is a normal situation. When I refresh the web pages, it disappears so quickly, and after I apply the network delay, yeah, before that I said I should take a look about the content. I will create different delay onto the different components, 200, 400, 800. So I will create it, and then I refresh it. Yeah, you can say the different parts of the body appears one by one. Yeah, this kind of this is caused because of the network's delay. Let's delete it. Let's recover it by just delete it. Yeah, it's go back to normal. And at last, I want to show you the most interesting here is HTTP chaos. Actually, HTTP chaos could modify the content of the request or the response. And in these cases, I will use another picture to replace the original, the head picture. I will use Chaos Mesh logo to replace it. And also, we could take it the back of the file. Sorry. Yeah, there's a lot of things because actually this is the content of the SVG file. Let's do not care about that. Yeah, HTTP chaos, replace the body with this kind of content. So let's really create it. Yeah, then we take a refresh. So yeah, that's the chaos, the HTTP chaos injected, and it replaced the picture with the Chaos Mesh logo. And then we recover it by just delete the object. Yeah, it has recovered very quickly, very efficiently. So yeah, that's all. I think you already get the awesome thing which Chaos Mesh could do. And then I will share some practice from our adopters to talk about the integration, the integration with Chaos Mesh and their own platform. So the first share is called stability test in TiDB releases. TiDB is the product of PingCap, and it's a high availability and distributed database system. And they are using Chaos Mesh in their CI system, in their CI pipeline, and in which in each released version, they will use lots of situations, or they use lots of situations of chaos tests to verify the TiDB is still fit for the high availability requirement. Yeah, this is one of the usages. Another usage is Chaos Mesh on TiDB Cloud. PingCap also sells their global area available TiDB service called TiDB Cloud, and the business across lots of the region and available zone. And the design is there is a regional Chaos Mesh, and it could inject different chaos into the tenant instance under the same region. Yeah, it's kind of very efficient design. It's avoid the overheading to install too much Chaos Mesh instance of every tenant cluster. And they also have their products called Clinic, which also integrated the Chaos Mesh inside of their product. And you could say the TiDB user could just use the drill test functionality to simulate some chaos experiments in their cluster, and also with some beautiful metrics chart inside of the page. And another adapter is Tencent Cloud. They also have their own platform called Oscar, and it's the Tencent's private cloud chaos engineering platform. It's really a complex system, and they have lots of customers for such as internal customers like two kind of platforms and the WeChat Pay, and they also have other external customers like bank company, insurance company, and finance companies. And inside of their design, Chaos Mesh, they use Chaos Mesh as a powerful tool to inject chaos, and they have other components to management and orchestrate the chaos experiment. For example, there are lots of chaos experiments could be reused, and they have built their management system called Oscar Hub. Oscar Hub have lots of templates of chaos experiments which could be reused by different users, and they could also use their CMDB. It's really like the label things in Kubernetes system. They could dynamically to choose the chaos experiments target to get injected. And they had Oscar also have their management system. They build the great dashboard for management and the report. Chaos Mesh does not provide this kind of functionality about experiments reporting or chaos experiment history. So they just do it by themselves. So yeah, there's some practices about how to integrate Chaos Mesh with their own platform. So I'm very happy to share the demo and the practices, and thank you very much to join us. And back to Sam. Thanks.